So friends, let's start with today's recipe of moong usal. Now here I've sprouted about 1 cup of green moong. I'll leave the instructions as to how I have sprouted the moong at home. I've added this to my pressure pan. You can use a pressure cooker too. I've added about 1.5 cup of water for 1 cup of moong, and I'm going to cook this on a high fire for 1 whistle. Once the cooker, the whistle goes off, just switch off your gas and let the cooker come to room temperature. Now I'm going to transfer the moong to a bowl and we can start with preparing the tadka or the fortni. So I've heated about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Now once my oil is nice and hot on a low to medium flame, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, which is also known as mori or rai, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. I'm going to add about 2 light green chilies, which I've chopped really fine. I want to fry the chilies really well so that the chilies flavor this oil really nicely. Then I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of hing or asafetida, half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, and I'm going to fry this bagar or fortni really well. Now I'm just going to add about 2 large cloves of garlic that I've just grated on my cheese grater or a regular grater. Fry the garlic also well. I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion which I've chopped really fine. And I'm going to fry all of this till the onions also turn translucent, as well as the garlic. Like I said, the rawness of the garlic needs to go away. Now I'm going to add the moong, and I'm going to mix the moong in well along with the water that comes with it when we cook it in the pressure pan. Now I added all of the moong. I just didn't shoot it right now, but add all of the moong to this fortni or bagar. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of Kitchen King masala. You get this Kitchen King masala easily in any general store, and that really changes the flavor of this dish. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of jaggery or gur, or you can add it as per your taste. And then just give everything a good mix. Let it cook or simmer. Just cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes till the gur or the jaggery dissolves and everything comes together really well. And then you're just going to add some coriander, chopped up coriander. Give it a mix, and then I'm just going to cook it for about a minute or so. And that's it, friends. Our lovely usal is ready. It goes really well with some nice hot rotis or puris or chapatis, or you can even have it as an accompaniment with some amti bhat or some dal and rice. Please try out this recipe. It's something really different and I'm sure you're going to love it. I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshata's recipe, and mine will be the first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. So both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a part of my channel. Take care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.